Dense core, dark ruby red, starting to lose some of that color towards the rim, but yeah, fairly high viscosity as well. Fine nose with a certain development here. There's some roasted notes, some hints of caramel, with a lot of spiciness there. Pepper, vanilla clove, wild berry fruit with dark plum. Fine integration of wood. Palate is quite opulent, very nice fruitiness, still with a core of tannin, but attractive fruit, quite long on the finish. Good drinkability today. I would give it a slight aeration before drinking it to open up a little bit, but I like the supple fruit with the fine spiciness, still with a slight presence of tannin, as I said, but that should integrate easily within the coming 1-2 years.